So our face whitening soap is ready. This is our face whitening soap. Yeah, this one is meant to use on the face, but you can also use it on your body if you wish, and you can also use it to mask your feet and your dark knuckles in case you have dark knuckles or dark feet. Okay, now these other ones in the bottles, those are body, like, sorry, those are facial wash, like face wash. You know, there's some people that don't like they don't like, I don't know the what to use. Some people love something like face wash or body wash, so I made something like this. So these tiny bottles with a green cover, those are the smaller size, and then the ones in the large bottle or container, that one is actually the 500 ml, which is a big size. Yeah, so for those of you that are, I'm just doing this one is just a sample. Yes, so for those of you that are living in abroad, you can decide to get something like in a large quantity. The same goes with the facial soap. You can see the smaller cup and the big cup. So anyone, yeah, so if you choose to get the smaller one, it's okay. But if you choose the bigger one, you know, shipping is quite cost, it's quite expensive and nowadays. So for someone that is living abroad, I prefer, like, it's preferable to take the bigger size so you won't run out of it. So that's it. I'm still working. I'm not yet done. Still working with mulatto whitening. So like this one, these soaps and this face wash, this is very very whitening. So if you know you don't want to whiten your face, please don't near this product. But if you want to whiten your face, this product is for you. Okay, so start sending your orders now. Send me a DM if you're interested. This is very very good. Like, it's very very good. You're going to see how your face, like, this is sharp whitening. At the same time, it is going to treat your face if you have acne on the face, blemishes, sunburn, hyperpigmentation, discoloration. Like, it's going to treat your face and make you have that clean, glowing and whitening face. Trust me, I'm not joking. So I'm waiting for your orders.